Hello everyone, it's Nala. I can't wait to show you today's creations. One menu is born from the power of magical creature, the other from the secrets of lost and legendary cities. Ready to discover them together? For our first journey, we start with the fiery salamander. Its shimmering skin turns into spicy starter, still expand with heat. Then comes the mighty hydra, with 4 elemental heads, each bursting with a different flavor. It's pure chaos on a plate. Next, the sorcerer's roast, a mystical bird. Its blue skin was infused with arcanes, a true symbol of magic. And to drink, the seductive draw whisper potion, swirling like desire in a glass. Finally, dessert, a stack of rich Choco Stones pancakes, drizzled with glowing amber syrup from a living tree spirit. Sweet, enchanting, and unforgettable. I'll show you all that. Pretty cool, right? And you know what? My fave has gotta be the second menu. It's all inspired by lost and legendary cities. Check it out. We start with delicate Atlantis dumplings filled with shimmering flavors, so fresh and magical. Then a hearty smoky dish from Asgard, a pulled boar, rich and full of bold savory notes, my favorite so far. Next, a celestial flying creature, tender and glowing. It's like tasting the sky itself. For drinks, there's a golden, sparkling elixir from the legendary El Dorado, vibrant and refreshing. And finally, a sweet jelly-like treat with heavenly flavors, ambrosia, so rich and mesmerizing. All right, let's explore together. What an adventure! If you enjoyed exploring these worlds with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more incredible menus. Stay safe, have fun, and remember, not everything you see on the web is real. See you in the next journey!